In this video, I'll show you how to add a QR code to accept PayPal in person. First, sign into your PayPal business account and open your dashboard. Go to PayPal QR codes or accept payments, then choose the option to create or view your QR code. Next, if you haven't created one before, PayPal will generate a unique QR code linked to your business account. Download or print the QR code and place it somewhere customers can easily scan it, such as at your checkout counter or on a payment sign. After that, test the QR code with a mobile device to make sure it opens the correct PayPal payment page. This helps confirm that customers will be able to complete their payments without any issues. Finally, monitor your payments from the Activity section of your PayPal account, where you can view completed transactions and payment history. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a QR code to accept PayPal in person. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.